Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is a gaseous cyanide giant. Most of Uranus is made out of water, ammonia, and methane in a supercritical phase of matter, which in astronomy is called ice or volatiles. The planet's atmosphere has a complex layered cloud structure and has the lowest minimum temperature of 49 kelvins, minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, out of all solar system's planets. Uranus has a marked axial tilt of 97.8 degrees with a retrograde rotation rate of 17 hours. This means that in an 84 Earth years orbital period around the Sun, its poles get around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of continuous darkness.